Identity matrix. Scalar matrix with diagonal element 1. Null matrix with all elements 0. This is the scalar matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Scalar matrix with one entry or identity matrix. In the identity matrix, main diagonal entries are 1. Upper triangular matrix. Aij is equal to 0 for all I greater than j. That means all the entries below the main diagonal are 0. Second row, first column. That means I is greater than j. This entry is 0. Third row, first column. That means I is greater than j. A3 1. Third row, second column. I is greater than j. Okay. 3 is greater than 2. All the entries below the main diagonal are 0. This is called upper triangular matrix. Conversely, if all the entries above the main diagonal are 0, is called lower triangular matrix. This is A12, I less than j. A13, I less than j. A23, I less than j. 2 is less than 3. All the entries above the main diagonal are 0. Aij is equal to 0. This is called lower triangular matrix. Idempotent matrix. A square is equal to A. If we square any matrix, then we get the same matrix. This is called idempotent matrix. For example, this matrix. If we multiply same matrix with this same, we get same matrix. That means A square is equal to A. Involuntary matrix. A square is equal to I. If we square this matrix, then we get identity matrix of the same order as A. For example, this matrix. Nilpotent matrix. A to the power k is equal to 0. If we take any power of the matrix, we get null matrix. K belong to I plus, and a to the power k minus 1 is not equal to 0. That means only a to the power k is 0. That's why k is called index of nilpotent matrix. For example, for this matrix, A square is equal to 0, so index is equal to 2. Symmetric matrix. A dash is equal to A. If we transpose of matrix, we get the same matrix, skew symmetric matrix. If we transpose matrix, we get negative of the matrix, is called skew symmetric matrix. Some remarks. If A is a square matrix, then A plus A dash is symmetric and A minus A dash is skew symmetric. A into A dash are symmetric. If A determinant of A not equal to 0, then matrix is called non-singular matrix. If determinant equal to 0, then matrix is called singular matrix. If A into A dash is equal to I, then A is called orthogonal matrix. I means identity matrix. If A star is equal to A, where A star means transpose of conjugate. In conjugate matrix, we convert conjugate element of every element of the matrix. Then we get conjugate matrix, and after transposing we get A star. Then A is called Hermitian matrix. If A star is equal to A, if A star is minus of A, negative of the matrix, then A is called skew symmetric, skew Hermitian matrix. If A star into A is equal to identity matrix, then A is called unitary matrix. A star means conjugate of the matrix and A is the matrix. in multiplication of these is identity matrix, then A is called unitary matrix.